Hey there, welcome to our tutorial on how to link Excel into PowerPoint. In this video, we will show you how to seamlessly integrate Excel data into your PowerPoint presentation. First, let's open up PowerPoint and create a new slide. So I'm going to open the blank presentation, and here you can see this slide is with two boxes. First one is click to add title and second one is click to add subtitle. So I'm gonna use this is with the blank one. So right click and here is the layout. Click on the layout, then click on the blank. Now it's the blank one, and there is the another way. What can you do? Like if I do the undo it, click on the box and right click and do the cut. Same, right click and use the keyword delete, so it's gone. Okay, then what I'm gonna do, from there we can insert an object onto the slide by clicking the insert tab in the top menu, then selecting object. A dialog box will pop up with several options. Here you can see the create new or create from file. So when you click on the create new, then select the Microsoft Excel 97 2003 worksheet, select on that, then hit on the OK. Then when I hit on the OK, now you can see this is the kind of Excel spreadsheet, and it's you can see the top. In top it say the presentation one is that name, and the next you can see the slide bar or the ribbon is kind of the Excel. So it's the already linked to Excel spreadsheet in here. Then you can just walk through in here, just whatever you want to use, like if you say something, or you can just type in here and you can work out with the Excel. Okay, then what I'm gonna do, I just for now cancel it, click on double. Then for now I'm going to insert the new slide and go to again insert tab, and there is the object, click on that. Now create from a file, click on there, and if do you have the already Excel file, just you can easily link with the PowerPoint or PPT, and you can see the here it say insert that content or file as an object into your presentation, so that you can activate it using the application that created it. So I using the browse, then I do have already Excel spreadsheet here. Okay, for now I'm using, if I say the inventory list with the highlighting first on the one, then hit on the OK. Then what I'm gonna do, I just click on the link, then it say insert a picture of the file content into your presentation. The picture will be shortcut to the file, so that change to the file will be reflected in your presentation. So for now I'm just using the OK. Then it's linking with the PowerPoint. Then you can see this link with the Excel, you can just resize it and you can now see it. And there's the another option. Okay, before that I just want to take out the text box, and here so just you can see this is the information or data in your Excel, just selected data or the range you have worked. It was like this, but it doesn't take the more space like the another column or more column or more row. You just take the data in your Excel sheet, whatever in there, and it's present to your PowerPoint. Okay, so it's a simple way. Just click on the insert an object, link with the Microsoft Excel. Then I'm gonna start the new slide, make any necessary change to the Excel file and save and close it. When you return to your PowerPoint slide, you will see that the link data has been automatically updated. But what if you want to keep a static copy of the Excel data in your PowerPoint presentation? In this case, you can choose the embed option when inserting the file, insert of link to file. Okay, with the embed option, so you can go like if I say here with the embed options, You can also choose the display only a specific range of cell from the Excel file rather than the entire spreadsheet. To do this, select display as icon. So how can you do this? Click on that and you can say display as icon, and here you can just change the icon or you can use the as a PDF. You can see here. Then if you want to change the icon, just go in here and you can browse through more, or you can use the captions. For now I do the cancel and hit on the OK. Now let's see, it's check the stable time here. Then what can I do? Just click in again inventory list here. Now you can see when I will be clicking here, it's linked to the Excel spreadsheet, and when I showing my presentation and when you hit on here, so it link to in your Excel sheet. You can also choose the display only the specific range cell of the Excel file rather than the entire spreadsheet. So this is useful if you need to present data from a specific point in time. And that it's with just a few simple steps you can link to embed Excel data into your PowerPoint presentation and ensure that your data is always up to date. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips.